So here we have the S21 series, the S21, the S21 Plus, and the S21 Ultra, but can you spot the difference? It is quite obvious. The specs are almost the same, but one of them has a lot more bonuses. Bonuses you will only find in the flagship device, which Samsung says takes productivity and creativity to the next level, like the 6.8 dynamic AMOLED display, which allows you now to have both Quad HD Plus display at 120Hz refresh rate. In fact, the screen's refresh rate automatically adjusts based on what you are watching, from 10Hz to 120Hz. The display also gives you 35% more brightness, ensuring sharp images on your screen even when you're looking at them outdoors. And the S21 Ultra, being the flagship of the bunch, also comes with Samsung's most advanced camera technology. Check out the rear cameras. There are 4 of them in what Samsung calls the contour cut camera housing. It contains an ultra-wide, a wide, and 2 telelenses with an upgraded 108 megapixel Pro sensor. And the option of shooting with a 12-bit RAW file so you won't have to sacrifice any detail. The space zoom function has also been enhanced in the S21. That is the ultra zoom that we like to play with. It's now enhanced with a zoom lock feature that makes sure you are not shaking when you take that picture. Come, let me show you. So let's try the zoom lock from here. It only activates when you're zooming above 20 times. So let's go 30. You have to tap it to lock. And you can see every strand of her hair. One of my favorites on the Note series is the S Pen, and it is now making an appearance on the S21 series. I wonder why.
The S21 Ultra, having the S Pen will allow our users to have more options and actually help in different aspects of their life, and not just having an awesome camera, but having a great tool to help them with taking notes, precise drawings, and even activating shortcuts while using the S Pen as well. So it is providing more options for S21 Ultra users.
However, the S Pen is sold separately. The S Pen is sold separately with 2 different cases, like this one and the one with a cover. Or you can just buy the S Pen on its own without the case, but then you'll have to think about where you're going to put it if you want to carry it around with you at all times. Not to be outdone, Galaxy S21 and the Galaxy S21 Plus also pack a punch. All of the S21 devices have enhanced what we already expect from the Galaxy series, like the state-of-the-art security of Samsung Knox Vault, even more protected now with tamper-resistant secure technology. And for the first time, a private share function that lets you control the content you send, limiting the time it is made available on the other person's device. For the creative types, Samsung also upgraded the quirky single-take feature, which we first saw on the S20. It lets you capture a variety of styles in one single shot. If you can't decide how you want your photos or videos to be, AI will decide for you. If you want studio quality portraits, you can have them too. New 3D analysis technology in the Galaxy S21's portrait mode means better lighting and AI accurately separating the subject from the background, giving you more depth and character in your photos. New to the S21 series this year is something Samsung is calling the Director's View. What is that all about?
This awesome feature on the S21 series Director's View allows you to simultaneously preview the different angles from all the lenses on the S21 series. Like in this case, you will see active thumbnails for the wide angle, zoom, as well as the standard tele lens. The Director's View feature also allows you to use the front, the selfie camera, and the rear camera simultaneously. So it's a very nifty feature, especially for content creators like yourself, a presenter like yourself.
An earlier than usual launch for the S21 series. The phone looks promising, the cameras are amazing. The Director's View is something you can play with if you're a content creator. We'll give the phone a full review once it comes out at the end of the month. Oh, by the way, the new S21 series will come in a smaller package. You figure it out.